On everybody, so I just got home for the day. Had a couple packages sitting here. One of them's from Summit. It's my oil pressure sending unit adapter. That way I can use my stock TBI oil pressure gauge and sending unit. All I gotta do is screw this into the back, the block there where the oil pressure sending unit goes, and screw the TBI sending unit into this, and then hook up my plug from the stock truck harness, TBI harness, and then my factory gauge should work. This will also work for other swaps too, if you want to use a manual gauge or whatever. This will work just the same. That's the part number. Like I said, it comes from Summit. It's like 15 bucks. For anybody out there that's going to do this too, the same way I'm doing it, you got to have this piece here, which this piece comes on all these trucks anyhow, but make sure you got that piece because you got to have it to screw in there. And then your sending unit screws into it. If you're just doing a regular manual gauge, it has a line, and oil pressure line and all that you got to run to it. You don't need this. All you'll need is the piece that comes in the kit. Well, I'm gonna have to pull the intake off to get to it. I was hoping I'd be able to get it without taking the intake off, but I ain't able to get down in there with any of my tools. Also, before I dig in, I'd like to thank everybody that subscribed and watched my channel all the time. Almost at 8,000 subscribers now, which is pretty damn crazy considering I'm just an old poor white boy down here in the deep south that talks funny and ain't got nothing but a bunch of junk that he works on, and ain't got no money or nothing special. So I appreciate everybody that watches and subscribes and all that good stuff. Alright, got it on there, all hooked up. Went ahead and replaced some two ends on these ground wires right here too. They was basically about to break. So I'm glad I did take the intake off, which made it a lot easier to get to anyhow. Let me throw this back on here and throw a battery in her and see how it all works. She did get a few leaves down her throat here and there, but nothing a little fuel and fire won't take care of. All back together, battery in. Hopefully I got everything hooked up. There it goes. We got oil pressure. Got that done. Anybody wondering how to hook up your factory oil pressure gauge, or if you're hooking up a manual gauge or whatever, that's pretty much how you do it and what you need. Like I said, that little part ain't but 15 bucks, so it ain't too bad. I'm glad I got that done anyhow. So now I got my oil pressure and my temperature gauge working, At least I know the motor has good oil pressure. I didn't even know if it had any oil pressure at all before. I'm gonna end this one off here. So like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more. Later.